My name is Denise Tran, and here is my Sustainability and the Built Environment Capstone Summer 2020 video. This summer, I was lucky enough to be able to pack up my things and move to Jacksonville, Florida to work for Siemens Industry as a smart infrastructure intern. On my first day, I was a little nervous, but I got a notepad, a laptop, my company ID card, and started to get to work. I made new friends the other year of interns, Chad, Jackie, and Adam. And here's my boss, Josh. He's recommended me at least 5 books to read, and I haven't read a single one. And here's Jim. He loves golf. They tell me what to do and give me life lessons along the way. And this is some of the team. Here's Jake, Wilson, Chief, Keith, and Patrick. They sit in the cubicles around me, and I bother them with a lot of questions, but they're always happy to help. So on a normal day when I walk into the office, I open my laptop, check my email, maybe hop on a conference call, or work on a spreadsheet and do some data analysis, whether it might be sales or energy data. Then around noon, I usually head to lunch with Jackie, and we sit outside on the picnic tables nearby, enjoying our surroundings and talking about anything and everything. Sometimes I never know where the day might take me. I'll make calls to customers to collect satisfaction data, or even tag along on a sales call with some of the team. I've even been to Georgia a few times. And this is Steve. These are the actual notes I wrote down when he came to my class a year ago. He told us how great Siemens was and told us to apply, so here I am. He trusted me enough to give me a project to collect air quality data at the Jacksonville Jaguars Stadium for the NFL. Steve said, "Do you know how to calculate air changes per hour?" And I said, "No." And he said, "Okay, look it up on the internet and go." So with the proper tools, a CO2 monitor, a flow hood, and a tape measure, I went around to almost every single room of the stadium to see what the air was like, and if there was proper ventilation, and if the system was working. The reason I was doing this was due to the COVID-19 pandemic. As we've all been impacted by this, it's no different when it comes to buildings. In a typical building, air is often recycled with the occasional air changes, which is why we were making these calculations. Outside air comes in and inside air comes out. And since the virus spreads through respiratory droplets that can linger in the air, we would want more air changes to circulate in cleaner air. This is part of the Siemens Come Back with Confidence campaign to help building managers create safe and healthy indoor environments for their occupants. There are different strategies that Siemens is capable of, like cleaning the air with ionization, reducing bacteria with UV, controlling building occupancy with counting or access readers, contact tracing, managing energy performance to make up for the increased energy use of the HVAC system, improving air quality with new maintenance strategies and filtration, monitoring office occupancy for density and safe distancing with IoT sensors and analytics, and screening occupants for elevated skin temperature with thermal cameras. With the help of the Siemens proprietary building management platform, Desigo CC, we are able to control the building wherever and whenever to graphically visualize how the building is operating. Overall, this project was a success, and it was an unforgettable and rewarding 3-day adventure. I want to thank Professor Hal for piquing my interest in technological solutions for sustainability, and Bahar for equipping me with the knowledge to help create better buildings. The Sustainability and the Built Environment program has provided me with opportunities I never imagined possible: research, conferences, field trips to fascinating places, and my internship experience. Thank you to everyone in the SBE department and Siemens for bringing me closer to my goal of shaping the future.